The year 2025 marks a major turning point for the BRT500 platform, and today's update dives deep into how this helicopter-inspired hybrid vehicle has evolved, what's changed since the last iteration, and why it's gaining so much attention across aviation, automotive, and advanced mobility communities. The BRT500 was never meant to fit neatly into one category. From the beginning, it blurred the line between helicopter engineering and ground vehicle practicality, and the 2025 update pushes that vision further than ever before. At its core, the BRT500 still carries the DNA of a lightweight helicopter system, but the 2025 model focuses heavily on refinement rather than radical reinvention. Engineers clearly listened to feedback from earlier versions, especially around stability, efficiency, and real-world usability. The result is a platform that feels more mature, more confident, and significantly more capable both on the ground and in hybrid operational roles. One of the biggest changes comes from the redesigned propulsion system. The 2025 BRT500 now features an upgraded hybrid power unit that combines a next-generation turbocharged engine with a high-density electric assist module. This setup delivers smoother torque distribution, faster response times, and noticeably reduced vibration compared to previous models, whether operating in hover-assisted modes or ground-based mobility configurations. The transition between power sources feels seamless. This is especially important for precision maneuvering and energy efficiency, two areas where the BRT500 has made impressive gains. Fuel efficiency has also improved significantly. Thanks to smarter energy management software and lighter composite materials, the 2025 update achieves longer operational range without increasing fuel capacity. The airframe and chassis now use an advanced carbon-titanium blend that reduces overall weight while improving structural rigidity. This not only enhances performance but also improves safety margins under stress conditions such as rapid directional changes or uneven terrain movement. The rotor system has undergone a quiet but meaningful transformation. While the overall rotor diameter remains similar, the blade design has been refined with new aerodynamic profiling. These blades generate more lift at lower rotational speeds, reducing noise output and mechanical strain. For users operating in noise-sensitive environments or urban-adjacent zones, this is a huge step forward. Reduced acoustic footprint also opens doors for broader regulatory acceptance in regions that previously limited such platforms. Ground mobility is another area where the 2025 BRT500 shines. The updated suspension system borrows heavily from off-road automotive technology, allowing the vehicle to handle rough terrain with surprising confidence. Adaptive dampers automatically adjust stiffness based on speed, load, and surface conditions. Whether navigating gravel, sand, or uneven concrete, the ride feels controlled and deliberate. This makes the BRT500 far more versatile for logistics, emergency response, and remote operations. Steering and handling have also been improved. The new electronic steering assist system provides better feedback and precision, especially at lower speeds. Tight maneuvers feel more predictable, and high-speed stability has noticeably improved. This is complemented by an updated braking system that integrates regenerative braking from the electric module, improving stopping power while recovering energy during deceleration. Inside the control interface, the 2025 update introduces a fully redesigned digital cockpit environment. The old segmented display layout has been replaced with a unified panoramic screen that adapts based on operating mode. Ground mode prioritizes navigation, terrain mapping, and vehicle diagnostics, while flight assist mode brings rotor performance, altitude data, and wind analysis to the forefront. The interface is clean, intuitive, and customizable, allowing operators to tailor information density to their preferences. Software plays a massive role in this year's update. The BRT500 now runs on a new operating architecture that supports over-the-air updates, modular feature expansion, and eye-assisted diagnostics. The onboard system continuously monitors performance data, identifying potential issues before they become serious problems. Maintenance alerts are more accurate, and downtime is reduced thanks to predictive analytics. This is a big win for operators who rely on consistent availability. Safety systems have also received major upgrades. The 2025 BRT500 includes enhanced stability control algorithms that actively counteract sudden shifts in balance or unexpected environmental forces. In hybrid lift scenarios, the system automatically adjusts rotor thrust and ground traction to maintain equilibrium. There's also an improved emergency shutdown protocol that safely powers down critical systems in the event of a fault, minimizing risk to both the vehicle and its surroundings. Another standout improvement is in connectivity. The BRT500 now supports encrypted long-range communication links, making it easier to integrate into coordinated fleets or command networks. Real-time telemetry sharing allows operators to monitor multiple units simultaneously, which is particularly useful for search and rescue operations, industrial inspections, or coordinated transport tasks. This level of connectivity transforms the BRT500 from a standalone machine into a fully networked mobility platform. The exterior design has been subtly refined as well. While the overall silhouette remains familiar, aerodynamic tweaks are evident throughout the bodywork. Panel gaps have been reduced, airflow channels optimized, and exposed components better shielded from debris and weather. These changes might seem minor at first glance, but they contribute significantly to durability and long-term performance. Noise reduction continues to be a major focus in 2025. Beyond the improved rotor blades, engineers implemented additional sound dampening materials around the engine housing and drivetrain. The result is a noticeably quieter operation, especially during low-speed movement and idle phases. This makes the BRT500 more suitable for urban-adjacent missions and reduces fatigue for operators during long sessions. Environmental impact is another area where the 2025 update makes progress. Emissions have been reduced through cleaner combustion processes and increased reliance on electric assistance during low-load scenarios. The system intelligently decides when to prioritize electric power, minimizing fuel consumption without sacrificing responsiveness. This aligns the BRT500 with global trends toward more sustainable mobility solutions. From a usability standpoint, the learning curve has been flattened considerably. Training modes built into the software simulate various operating conditions, allowing new users to practice without real-world risk. These simulations adapt to skill level, gradually introducing more complex scenarios as proficiency increases. This makes the platform more accessible to a wider range of operators, not just specialists. Reliability testing for the 2025 model has reportedly exceeded previous benchmarks. Extended endurance trials demonstrated consistent performance over long operational cycles, even in harsh environmental conditions. Dust, extreme temperatures, and high humidity were all factored into testing protocols, and the BRT500 showed strong resilience across the board. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 update is its modular expansion capability. The platform now supports a wider range of attachments and mission-specific modules. Whether it's cargo pods, surveillance equipment, medical support units, or specialized sensors, the BRT500 can be quickly reconfigured to suit different roles. This flexibility dramatically increases its value proposition for organizations that need multi-purpose solutions. Cost efficiency has also been addressed. While the BRT500 remains a premium platform, improvements in durability, maintenance prediction, and energy efficiency reduce total cost of ownership over time. Fewer unexpected repairs and longer service intervals make the 2025 model more attractive to long-term operators. Looking at the bigger picture, the 2025 BRT500 update represents a shift from experimental innovation to refined execution. It feels less like a concept pushing boundaries for the sake of it and more like a practical, deployable system designed for real-world challenges. That maturity is evident in every aspect, from software stability to mechanical robustness. Public and industry interest in hybrid mobility platforms continues to grow, and the BRT500 sits at a fascinating intersection of these trends. It's not trying to replace traditional helicopters or ground vehicles outright. Instead, It offers a flexible alternative that adapts to scenarios where conventional solutions fall short. As regulations evolve and infrastructure catches up with emerging technologies, platforms like the BRT500 are likely to play a bigger role in transportation, logistics, and emergency response. The 2025 update positions it well for that future, addressing many of the limitations that held earlier versions back. In summary, the 2025 BRT500 car helicopter update is all about refinement, intelligence, and versatility. Improved propulsion, smarter software, enhanced safety, and greater efficiency come together to create a platform that feels ready for serious deployment. It's quieter, cleaner, more connected, and easier to operate than ever before. For anyone following the evolution of advanced mobility systems, the BRT500's 2025 update is a clear signal that this technology is no longer just experimental. It's becoming practical, reliable, and increasingly relevant in a world that demands flexible and efficient transportation solutions.